Odoo's Documents Module is a robust document management tool designed to streamline document organization. When entering into this module, you can see a button named Upload, and you can upload all kinds of file formats here, like this. You can see a Create Spreadsheet button. It is used to create spreadsheets of your own choice from here, and you can save the spreadsheets for your future reference too. Then you can request a document to a person and provide a note as shown here, like this. And this requested document will show in the main dashboard and marked as requested document, like this. There are many options like download, share, replace, and lock. You can lock and unlock a document by this lock feature. And also you can see an option chat here. This Odoo's chat feature allows us to discuss documents. You can ping people or create next activities to track activities on a document. And this helps streamline collaboration and communication around these documents. By clicking on this Add a Link button, you can add a link with your document. You can see a Share button here. This can be used to share folders to provide access to external users with or without logins. This feature allows external collaborators to upload new documents, thus improving collaboration and productivity. We can set multiple tags to structure documents per folder, making it easy to search for and find specific documents. This feature streamlines documents management and save our time. The filters allows us to quickly find the documents we need. We can save the most commonly used filters as favorites, making document management very easy. Thus, we can use this documents module very easily and efficiently.